Namaste. Hi, I'm Ajoy Chawla and I serve the jewelry division of Titan Company Limited. This has been an unprecedented time. Never before, I think the world has come to a standstill by this tiny microscopic virus. I hope all of you are safe. I hope your family members are safe. We have put in place strong safety protocols and a detailed checklist before a store can open. We call it the store preparedness checklist. From availability of materials like masks, gloves, sanitizers, thermal scanners, etc. Including a tray at the entrance where you need to put your footwear in before you step into sanitized footwear. To a preparedness of the store staff, we have deployed several hours of training for every store. We have 328 Tanishq stores across the country, and a detailed training has happened over the last couple of weeks to ensure that every single person understands the importance and the process of managing safety. In addition, several standard operating procedures, or SOPs as we call them, have been deployed, right from the entrance to the way contactless billing can take place, to the way the store layout will be, so that there is social distancing, to screening each one of you as you enter, and even, let's say, the way in which the store staff have to sanitize their hands and surfaces have to be sanitized every hour, on the hour. Of course, needless to say, the jewelry itself is going to be sanitized before any customer tries it, and then sanitized back before it goes back onto the tray. So many small details have been thought of, and we will keep adding them as we learn, as we go along. It's important that this process is followed day to day across every store, all the time. So our entire retail organization's only priority over the next couple of months is going to be how to ensure that this protocol is followed to the T. Absolutely zero compromise. Introducing soon a remote, convenient video-based selling for each one of you. You can reach out to us, you can shortlist your products, browse, and your very own store assistant will try on the jewelry and enable you to make decisions. Either you could shortlist basis that, or you could buy. That's a new process that we are going to introduce very, very shortly. Not only the stores, we have done the same intense safety deployment operating procedures for our factories as well as the factories of our vendor partners. We have close to 10,000 karigars or artisans who make the beautiful jewelry that you adorn, to ensure that every single one of them has understood and is following the process to protect themselves and their colleagues wherever they work. We pledge to make Tanishq the safest place in town to shop from, as safe as your very own home. And on behalf of this entire ecosystem, I welcome you once again and assure you of a safe and joyful shopping experience with us. Thank you.